Dile, get out the way, Dile. Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna just show you guys how to do an oil change. Hopefully it goes well. Basically, all you need is this thingy for when the oil comes out. I got gloves, but you don't really need gloves unless you want to. And a toolbox or ratchets, I guess. By the way, you're probably gonna need a cone because I needed one, so I had to make one out of paper. First, you gotta open up this little thingy where you put your engine oil. And then you'll need one of these. I got a very old one. I do recommend a newer one, but it works. And basically, you jack up the car and you just put a tire down here just in case. Push in your thingy under the oil pan. And then you grab the one that you need. I need a 14mm. You put it on your ratchet. Alright, but yeah, now you do it. Basically, just put it on to your left. And it'll slowly start loosening up until it's loose enough for your fingers. And then just I guess it needs more. And slowly let it out. Try not to make a mess. Slowly. And there you go. Careful with your eyeballs. Damn, that's black. And you just leave it there for a bit. Then you get your wife's shirt and get it dirty, because this thing sucks. It's hard to take out. Or you just do it with your hand, because that was better. And you just slowly take it out. It's gonna make a mess if it's like my car. So just grab this. Just, you know, get some of that oil. Get dirty, you know. Your wife's shirt dirty. She doesn't need it really dirty, you know, like that. And you might make a mess like I did, or maybe it was just me. Yeah, you just take this out, turn it, and there's that. Look how dirty that is. Now you grab your oil filter and open it, take it out, and then take out plastic. Take out the plastic, of course. I'll pick that up. And clean this off a little bit. And get some of that oil and just put it on the new one. And just put some of the old oil on it. Should be good. And you just put it back on here like the old one. Should fit right in. Okay, just twist it. It's alright. Don't tighten it too much because then it's gonna be hard again. So just like that. That's good. And then you just look for whatever you dropped in there. And then you, after you've thrown it out, grab what you dropped in there. If you did, you're not supposed to, but I did because I'm smart. And you put it back on. And you just put the plug back in there. And then you use the ratchet to tighten it. And that's it. Now you're just gonna put this down because you don't need it to be up no more. Told you it works. And yeah, I do it manually. And now you're done with this. After you've slowly put some oil in it, you close it off and turn on the car to see how much oil you have and how everything looks. As you can see, it still needs more oil, so we're gonna put some more in there. It's almost full. Let's check. Hold on. Seems about right. Yeah, that's good enough. Alright, but God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.